If nothing online is working for you, it's not because you're not trying hard enough. It's because you've been given the wrong way to do it. Most people don't even realize that's the problem. They think they need more time, more effort, more videos, more learning. And that's not what's missing. What's missing is the right model. Now, let me share something with you so you understand where I'm coming from. I help people who are struggling with not enough money and they're not able to retire. And I do it by sharing what I'm learning on YouTube and social media. No theory, not hype. What actually makes sense when you're trying to build something real, something that works and that will work for you. If you're thinking about starting an online business and you just don't know where to start, what businesses are available, what programs are available, I put together for you an ebook. It's pinned in the comment section below. It's a really good opportunity to learn, and I think it's something that will be very beneficial for you. Because I know when I got started, I didn't know where to turn. I didn't know what would work. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I was just totally lost. But it will be pinned in the comment section below. Because, ladies and gentlemen, here's what I've seen over and over again. I'm tired of seeing it, to be honest with you. People are working harder than ever online, and they're getting nowhere. They're watching videos, they're buying courses, they're trying different things. Believe me, I know I was there, and they're still stuck. And what's frustrating, it starts to feel like it's your fault, like it's you, but it's not you. Most people are being told to trade time for money, just in a different place. You might as well have another 40-hour job in a cubicle somewhere. If you don't do this job right, if you don't do your business right, that's exactly what it's going to start to feel like. Instead of a job, it becomes social media, post more, message more people, be online all day. That's not freedom. That's just another job. And that's exactly what I don't believe in. I don't believe in DMing people. I don't believe in being on social media all day just to be seen and stay current. And I don't believe that you need a large following to make this work. I know for a fact that is not true. Because the truth is, people who are actually succeeding online are doing something completely different than that. They're building systems, they're building leverage, and they're building something that works for them even when they're not working. That is joy, my friends, pure joy. And that's what I believe in. I believe in building an automation and an automation income. I believe in creating leverage instead of time for money. I believe in using content and emails, as long as it's automated, instead of chasing people. I believe you can actually build a business in about 2 focused hours per day, maybe 3. And I believe that learning simple digital skills can actually equate to freedom, real freedom. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They focus on the wrong things. They think the answer is more content, when really the answer is better direction, clarity. They think they need to go viral, when really they need to be valuable. They need to create value that people want. That is actually the golden ticket. They think they need thousands of followers when actually they just need the right people, people who need what they have to offer. And when you start building something that starts to make sense, you start focusing on, what problem am I solving? Who am I helping? And what simple message can I share today? And how can I turn this into something that works, not only for me, but for my customers, something they need and want. And that's where leverage comes in. That's where content starts working for you. And guess what? That's when you stop starting over again. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Many, many people start over and over again. They chase the next shiny object. What can I do next? You don't want to do that. You want to stay focused on what you're trying to do, helping people solve their problems. You know, complicated is what keeps people stuck. Simple is what moves people forward. Now, if you've been feeling stuck and confused, or like nothing is working for you, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not behind and you have not missed your chance. You've just been following a path that's not leading you where you want to go and where you need to go. And the moment you change the path, everything is going to change. You don't need to do more. You actually need to do what works. And that starts with learning how to build and not chase, how to create leverage, not just effort, and how to use your time in a way that actually moves you forward. Now, if this is actually making sense to you, I have created a blueprint. It's like a roadmap. It's called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's in the link below. It's free. It actually breaks down the program that I use, that I started with, and it talks to you about how to be successful online, free, multiple resale rights, 4 of them. If you are nervous about, oh, I can't start something from scratch, I don't know how to do it, this is perfect for you. You don't need to start and do anything from scratch when you have the blueprint. So that will be pinned in the comment section below, and it tells you all about the blueprint. And if you're interested, what you need to get started. There's no overwhelm, there's no confusion. It's just a great starting point. And I also want to talk to you a little bit about community. I talk about community in every one of my videos because I believe that community is essential. Whether you have experience in digital marketing already or whether you're just getting started, it doesn't matter. If you're trying to do this alone, you shouldn't have to do it alone, because when you're in a community, first of all, there's no algorithms, which is like, yay, a huge plus. Secondly, you can actually talk to people. There's no right, there's no wrong questions. You don't have to worry about getting booted out unless you do something inappropriate, of course. It's just a great place to learn. There's a lot of free materials in my community. There are some paid materials in my community as well. But the biggest plus for joining a community is the fact that you can ask questions for other people. They're all at different levels, and those people will answer your questions, and you can share what you're going through as well, because people are all at different levels. So I'm very excited about my community. It's called the Second Act Income Collective. It's a free community to join, and that link will also be pinned in the comment section below, because you don't have to figure this out alone, and you shouldn't. There's a much better way. So once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. So if this video has been helpful, if this video resonates with you, make sure you subscribe and like. And I personally will keep showing you what I'm learning, because yes, I'm still learning, and I will always still be learning step by step. And I want to share that with you, because that's the beauty of this kind of business. It's fluid and it's constantly changing, and you're constantly learning new things, but you're getting someone to basically show you how to do it. So it's an awesome opportunity, because again, I want to remind you, it's not about doing more. It's about doing what actually works. I create videos once a week, usually 1 or 2, long form and several shorts. So I'm going to invite you to like and subscribe, and that way you'll never miss a video. I'm Paula from Paula Daily Pay, and I will see you in the next video.